KTM is gearing up for an exciting launch with the next generation 390 Adventure, set for early 2025, but there's even more on the horizon. A test mule for the upcoming KTM 390 SMCR Supermoto has been spotted in Europe, hinting at its official debut at EIC May 2024. The KTM 390 SMCR appears to share the same frame and subframe as the 390 Adventure, with similar components like the fuel tank, tail section, and rear fender. However, the Supermoto distinguishes itself with notable changes in chassis geometry, front suspension, and wheel design. The 390 SMCR is fitted with 17-inch alloy wheels and high-performance tires, replacing the 21 and 18-inch spoke wheel setup seen on the Adventure model. Additionally, the handlebar and foot peg positions have been adjusted to enhance the riding dynamics suited for Supermoto enthusiasts. The KTM 390 SMCR will be powered by the familiar 399cc liquid-cooled LC4C engine, delivering 45.5 brake horsepower and peak torque of 39 Nm. This power unit will be paired with a 6-speed gearbox. To elevate the riding experience, the motorcycle is expected to come equipped with a range of advanced electronic rider aids, including cornering ABS, traction control, launch control, multiple ride modes, and more. With these exciting features, the KTM 390 SMCR is poised to capture the attention of Supermoto fans when it makes its official debut.